Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Hassan and I am demonstrating an IoT project titled Smart Ventilation System. The system is implemented using Cisco Packet Tracer to simulate the edge layer and Python to implement the cloud layer. After starting the cloud application, it waits for MCU1 and MCU2 to connect. Once both MCUs are active, the system begins displaying the real-time carbon monoxide and temperature sensor readings on a live dashboard as well as in the Matplotlib. As shown, the fan is currently operating in fast mode because the temperature exceeds 50 degrees centigrade. You see around the fan there are two circular bars representing the high speed. The window remains closed since the CO level is below 20 ppm. When the CO level rises above 20 ppm, the system automatically opens the window and activates the alarm. Now the temperature is low again and the circular bar around fan is only one, representing low speed. That's all. Thank you.